Name of this view: A. Spider view, B. RIO-caudal view, C. Epicranial view, D. LAO-cranial view. Correct answer: A. Spider view. It is LAO-caudal view, otherwise known as spider view, often the first view to be taken during coronary angiography. It is called the spider view because of its resemblance to the legs of a spider. The view is useful in identifying disease of left main and its proximal branches. LMCA, left main coronary artery; LAD, left anterior descending coronary artery; LCX, left circumflex; OM, obtuse marginal. Angio movie showing the left coronary angiogram in LAO-caudal view. The branches have been marked in the still image as mentioned in the previous image. JL Judkins left coronary catheter. The dye reflects into the aorta indicates that there is no wedging of the catheter in the left main. Which coronary artery is this? A. Right coronary artery, B. Left circumflex coronary artery, C. Left anterior descending coronary artery, D. Obtuse marginal coronary artery. Correct answer: A. Right coronary artery. Right ventricular branch has been marked. Crux is the junction of atrioventricular and interventricular grooves posteriorly. RCA divides into posterior descending coronary artery and posterior left ventricular branches at the crux. This is dominant right coronary artery as it crosses the crux. In which view was this RCA imaged? A. RIO view, B. LAO view, C. Lateral view, D. None of the above. Correct answer: A. Right anterior oblique RIO view. Right anterior oblique view shows the proximal part of the right coronary artery in an almost vertical line. RIO view is identified with the spine seen on the right side marked by yellow arrows. Several septal branches arising from the PDA can be seen well in this view. In fact, the identification of PDA in a coronary angiogram is by the septal branches which arise from it. Which is the vessel marked by the arrow? A. Left main coronary artery, B. Left circumflex coronary artery, C. Left internal mammary artery, D. Obtuse marginal. Correct answer: C. Left internal mammary artery, Lima. Lima is usually anastomosed to the LAD, left anterior descending coronary artery, as in this case. Good distal flow to the LAD from the Lima is seen. Retrograde flow into the LAD proximal to the anastomosis is also seen. Here the Lima graft is imaged in the lateral view. The image has been darkened a bit by post-processing to visualize the Lima and LAD well. Since it was an injection into the left subclavian artery just near the Lima ostium, the contrast density was a bit lower than that of a superselective Lima injection. The sternal wires indicate the post-sternotomy status. The vessel marked by yellow arrow is A. Left anterior descending coronary artery, B. Left internal mammary artery, C. Saphenous vein graft, D. Left circumflex coronary artery. Correct answer: C. Saphenous vein graft, SVG. The proximal end is connected to the ascending aorta and distal end to the obtuse marginal branch of left circumflex coronary artery, OM in this case. Coronary angiogram in a post-coronary artery bypass person showing saphenous vein graft to obtuse marginal branch of left circumflex coronary artery. Sternal wires indicate the post-CABG status. Catheter tip can be seen engaged in the ostium of saphenous vein graft in the ascending aorta. Part of the catheter in the descending aorta is also visible as it is a transfemoral coronary angiogram. This view is called A. Leo phase of coronary angiogram, B. Spider view, C. Hepatoclavicular view, D. None of the above. Correct answer: A. Leo phase of coronary angiogram. It is a delayed image after injection of contrast into the left coronary artery. Venous phase is seen with coronary sinus and its tributaries. Assessment of tributaries of coronary sinus is important during cardiac resynchronization therapy for implantation of left ventricular lead. The vein seen in the middle of the image is the middle cardiac vein, and that in the left cardiac border the posterolateral vein. A small inconspicuous vein seen behind the coronary sinus label is the small cardiac vein. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for future updates and click on the bell icon for all updates. Thank you.